the integral from 0 to pi over 2, and then sine x times e to the power of cosine x dx. So, first thing that we do, I don't know if you can still remember, this one as u substitution, right? We're gonna let u as cosine. So, let u as cosine x, and then du is negative sine x dx, right? So negative sine x dx. So therefore, dx is du over negative, I'll just write negative sine x is equal to dx. So I'll put that first as a cloud. Okay, so which means going back right here, we're gonna have the integral from 0 to pi over 2, then sine x, then e to the power of u, okay, and then the dx is negative, so times negative d over sine x. Okay. Any noticing, guys?
Sine x cancels.
What cancels out right here?
Oh, the sine.
The sine x cancels out. So the sine x cancels out, but be careful, we still have negative right here. Okay, and it is safe to put the negative outside or in front. Okay. So we have
Very right.
so negative integral from 0 to pi over 2, and we have e to the power of u du, right? Okay, so we put the negative
Unemployed, sorry.
and we can
Because I
now
want to
do,
enjoy my high school
you can
life.
now do antiderivative. Okay,
You get it from your grown ass man, right?
so which means
Just because I'm barely
the negative of e to the u, okay, evaluated from 0 to pi over 2.
No, because all of a sudden I don't.
Okay, so in this case, you're gonna have to put u. So our u is cosine, right? Cosine. So we have negative e to the power of cosine
The loophole.
x, okay, evaluated from 0 to pi over 2, and this time we're gonna do substitute. Okay, so next step would be negative, and then e to the power of cosine pi over 2. Okay, pi over 2, and then minus e to the power of cosine 0. Okay. Now, before we continue, question, clarification. So, what is cosine pi over 2?
But you already have it.
That's 90 degrees, right?
Yeah.
Cosine is nada, right? Nada.
Yeah.
0. So which means this is negative, and then e to the power of 0,
It's just one.
which is 1. Okay, we're gonna simplify that later, and then minus what is e to the power of 0? That means 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just put 1 right there. Okay, and then we're gonna distribute. Distributing this becomes negative, and this is 1 minus e, right? 1 minus e. So distribute, now we have negative 1 plus e as the final answer. So look at the option. What is the best option right here? Okay, it's letter T.
Exactly, but you're not gonna spend crazy money.